Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Jamaica has been ranked in the top 5 spot of 190 countries for Earth Hour Celebration 2023. The event, held Saturday at Hope Gardens, saw patrons out to support the climate change initiative. Now patrons were out with their drinkware, blankets and chairs and were treated to performances from Rasai, Fantin Moja, Queen Africa and others. Earth Hour director Alexi Morris is shared with E-Prime on the ranking for Jamaica.
From Earth Hour International, they let us know in terms of executions and our ability to get the message out there, because we rely heavily on social media and just a massive Jamaican diaspora out there that follows the movement and tuned in live to watch it. So we're ranked in the top 5 of executions out of the 190 countries that participate in Earth Hour yearly.
Now to news overseas, as Taylor Swift makes Billboard history. The pop diva has landed 7 top 40 albums on the Billboard 200 chart simultaneously. According to Billboard, this coming chart week marks the first time the singer-songwriter has managed to accomplish such a milestone. Swift has the distinction of being the first living artist to accomplish this feat, as the first to do so was Whitney Houston, who did it posthumously in 2012. Altogether, Swift currently has 9 titles, down from 10 in total, on the Billboard 200. I'm Daedran reporting for E-Prime. Thank you for watching.